I found a love for me.
Since the moment you came into my life, you have shown me what true love and compassion is like. You are adventurous, kind, thoughtful, and have a beautiful soul. Your sense of humor and wit, even though it drives me crazy sometimes, continues to make me fall in love with you every day. With you, I feel safe, loved, and accepted. You truly love me for who I am and love me at my best and worst, especially on occasion when I get angry or hangry and stubborn.
You know, from the moment I met you, I wasn't sure where things were going to go. But you allowed me to learn more about myself and our relationship, and that in itself gave me so much more than I could ever expect from one person. I just, want to promise to you to never stop trying, right? Because we're together now, and hopefully after this, we're husband and wife, and you can't leave me. Because I'll find you.
Today I commit to you as your wife. I promise to take care of you, laugh with you, listen to you, and appreciate you every day. I am forever yours and lucky to call you mine.
Darling, you look perfect tonight.
Well, I found a man stronger than
Today these two will join together as husband and wife, and they've chosen each one of you to witness this celebration of unity. The candle not only represents both of you, but everyone who's brought you here to this point in time. And now as you're united, the unity candle burns as one. And by the power vested in me, by the Universal Life Church, the state of California, Ashley and Aaron, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Aaron, for the first time, you may now kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, family and friends, it's an honor to present to you for the very first time Mr. and Mrs. Aaron and Ashley Harmon.
I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand. Be your girl, you'll be my man. And I see my future in your eyes. Well, baby, dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass while listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight.
You look perfect tonight.